Because I could see the little wheels,
the little wheels.
I can
Oh,
see
yeah.
the bottom of the
What are these wheels?
No,
No.
on D. On
D.
D. 2 and D.
Oh, I see. This little wheels too, and then this.
Yeah.
That's
So
what
something
that.
at the bottom looks like
That.
it could have started out as a star shape.
Oh, I see. Oh wow! I think this one's one of the easier ones because I think that still looks like that little fence bit. And I think the chair is definitely the hardest. The chair is a bit of an odd one out because all the others are kind of views. Yeah, that's a bit of an accident because actually I had all kinds of different things. But what I'll tell you is that, yeah, I probably, some of you probably know a lot more about the kinds of work Andy does than I do. So I'll just, do we have the answers yet? There's the answers, but you know them now. So I'll try to, I tried to explain this before to artists, but maybe I need to explain less than you. But what Andy was doing was wrote an algorithm which would which would, from one of these drawings, identify a number of objects and then track them through the sequence. And so it actually is hard with an object, with a drawing that's only one object in the first place. I think it's much less effective, but that wasn't. That's why the chair is probably not so good for this experiment. But all these other drawings, the algorithm finds various objects, and some of the objects may disappear completely during the sequence of copies, and some of them get, and then he would track them according to widths, volumes, length, width, lengths, volumes, a whole lot of different measures, and each object would get tracked. And it was very effective. I've got some of his graphs which show, but for example, if that's obviously an original drawing compared with the 15th copy of a different one, so the graphs you'd hope wouldn't match up very well, and so those are as I've described. I don't know exactly. Hang on, these are the number of objects across the bottom. So if it's found 12 objects here, and by the time it's the red one's the end of the sequence, it's only found 5 of them or something. It's found a lot less objects.
Sorry, what are the colours?
The two colours on the graph are the two different drawings. So one of them is the blue ones are